Evening, fellow humans. We're going to go for a walk. I've got to come to the shed, the cabin. My lad wants a staple gun. And if he doesn't get it, does he whinge? Anyway, that's not that bad. Not that bad, I'm joking. Okay, we're going to climb over the fence, which I've already... Don't tell anybody, right? It's because of my weight. Where is he? Is it that one? Look at that, I broke it. Shh. Right, so I'm not going to tread on that one. I'm going to, that's my big finger in the way. So I'm going to climb over the top. I hope that one doesn't break, so I'm going to hurt myself. Right. We're over. I haven't been for a while, so I'm going to take you for a walk. We're going to have a look at the veggie patch, the trees. Some of the trees we planted, as you know, we planted about 500 oak trees. Well, I think we've lost a lot because the weather was so unusual. We had what, 8 weeks of beautiful sunshine, which is the tan, but it took out some of our trees. Let me just show you. It doesn't look too bad. We've had a lot of rain now, which is looking lovely and lush and green. But I'll turn you around in a bit, and when we get down there, sorry, a big fat hand. When we get down there, we'll have a look at the spuds. I don't know what the onions are like. Hopefully, with all this rain, they've picked up a little bit. Anything else? I'll show you. I'll show you the oak trees as well. See how they're going. I'm not holding my hopes up on them. So right, we'll catch you in a bit. We'll get down there, and then I'll flip you around, and we'll have a look at the veggie patch. It's been a while. Look at this. Look how lush the grass is. This is the track. I don't know if you remember before. I think I showed you the track. It was all burnt and dead. So it's only about a week or so. Makes a difference, doesn't it? It's growing back. Here we go. This is the path to the cabin. Looks okay. Ooh. I'll show you the oak trees as we're going in. They get a bit wet. Oh, not that bad. Yeah, doing all right. Right, the oak trees. Look at this path. So much it's overgrown. Well, there's one oak tree. Not looking good. Not looking good. There's another one around here. It's overgrown. Another one here. Yeah, they're not looking good. Mind you, the rest are at home. We've planted. I think we've rescued them. I was hoping that one would do well because he's a big one. You never know. You never know. No, well, I won't show any more. It doesn't. It's a bit gloomy, to be honest with you. Well, we'll get the cab. Just be careful here. Look at this bark. It's come off. It's been coming off. She's dead. Look. Gotta be careful of that. That's what I wanted. Everything else okay? No big rats jumping out, or foxes, or anybody else. There's my power. 14.5. So we've had a bit of sunshine, so that's good. And for... Oh! Looks like my battery's died. Oh, what a shame. I'll have to take that and reprogram it. Oh, okay. Yeah, these oak trees are not looking the best. I've not seen anything at the moment with a bit of greenery on. Like the ones at home that we've done. Pretty good. You can see it's how much it's overgrown. So we haven't been here for a while. So you're going to see the allotment that we started with the spuds. Exactly the same. Where is it? Oh no, there it is. That's how bad it is. I missed it. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Well, these have come on. These were really badly scorched, so they've you can see, but they've come back beautiful. But anyway, there we go. Ooh, ooh, onions are doing all right. We've got a bit of rabbit activity, but that's okay. And look at the spuds. Yeah, bit of sunshine now. That's good. Yeah, I'm okay. Look at that, he's a big one there. Look at that one. Well, to me, he's a big one. I'm not going to weed them. That's why I'm weeding them. I will do it next time we come, but I've got to be careful because I pulled two of them out and have to eat them. Right, so Jane will be chuffed with that. Yeah, just spudderoonies. There we go. Come back out. As for our orchard, as we call it, I can't believe how much it's grown. Okay. I was getting a bit worried about this. Do you remember those 2 trees I told you about, where I paid about 38 quid for 2, and they said there was going to be about, I ordered 8, and only 2 came. Oh, it doesn't matter. Anyway, they're all right. A little bit scorched, a couple of them, and the other one's over there. Let's go and have a look. I can't believe how much this has grown. I keep saying that, don't I? We're looking all right. We needed that rain absolutely desperately. Love it. I mean, we were carrying 100 litres of water every evening up here. We're looking at that. So the tank's full, but then we were watering every night. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, right. Okay, back we go. Sorry it's a bit boring, just a little update on the cabin and the allotments and the trees and the orchard. And yeah, I'm going to have to take that one down. I think he's going to get dangerous. And there's one over there. And you can see he's already, where is he? Boom, 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 boom. He's already partly broke at the top. I might walk down this way, show you the little dens down. Well, no dens yet. I want to do that. I want to get down there. Okay. Let's go down to the parking area. Pull-in, lay-by. I did in a previous video. Oh, that doesn't look very good. I'm not even going to look at these trees now. It's quite depressing. Well, I don't get depressed. If I see a bit of life, it'd be quite nice, actually. Bit of wind picking up. This is the wooded area. You've seen this before, but not when it's overgrown like this. Oops, sorry about the camera movement. I am just walking using my hands as stabilisers. There we go. So I want to clear all this up, all this debris. All that, well, look, you can see all that, which is good firewood. I want to build a bit of a false, sort of, maybe not all the way down, but a false sort of, like, you know, when you put your palisade fencing in, or your stakes, and then weave it in and out. I'd like to do that. Not looking good. Oh, look at this. There we go. There you go. That's good. That's a good sign. Not many. One. Well, it's no time worrying about it. Just nope, not good. We hoping that we put them under the trees would protect them a little bit. But not looking too good, to be honest with you. That's the area I'd like to, bit of a campsite there, and I'd like to build a platform, and the kids would like that, and the grandkids would love it. There's another guy. I like this one as well. This one's always showed a bit of promise. Look at that. That's good. And there you go. That's it, folks. Really. Another area there, which is part of the big area. So I'll show you. Look at that. I've started tidying up a little bit. Might get down the weekend, do a bit more, I think. There we go. And that's about it. That's a bit of a tour. Oh, this has gone nice and compact. A bit more driving on here, it'll be solid, which is good. Look at this, it's growing. And that's it really. Back up, walk up. Nice to come down and just say hi. Get back up, put a bit of tea on, and I think that's it. This might come down the weekend with a bit of luck. Jay misses the place, so yeah. Okay. If you enjoyed the vid, if you'd like to give it a thumbs up, this is a very quick well, it's not a quick one, but I'll shorten it. A quick update on the cabin and what it looks like at the moment. And that's about it really. Take care, and we'll catch up in the next video. All the best, and see you soon.